Ukrainian troops use new NATO howitzers to destroy Russian bases from a distance of more than 12 miles. Ukrainian soldiers bomb a Russian base with a newly delivered NATO howitzer from a distance of over 12 miles away. The 128th Mountain Assault Transcarpathian Brigade of the Ukrainian Ground Forces said they fired from a NATO-supplied howitzer from a distance of over 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles. The brigade said they hit the base of Russian command staff and destroyed a military SUV marked with C, killing several enemy soldiers in the process. The Ukrainian brigade said on May 23, from the first shot, the Transcarpathian Legion hit a racist target with a NATO howitzer from a distance of over 20 kilometers. Artillerymen of the 128th Mountain Assault Transcarpathian Brigade hit the base of the command staff of one of the units of the Russian army. A military SUV marked with Z and several nearby racists were destroyed. The shot was fired from a howitzer that arrived in Ukraine as part of NATO aid. A time-lapse drone video shows the arrival of a 155 caliber projectile and the moment of its powerful explosion. The target was over 20 kilometers away, so an accurate shot clearly demonstrates the high accuracy of the latest weapons that have arrived and continue to enter the armed forces of Ukraine. Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. Today marks the 90th day of the campaign.